welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about kindness and how it can transform the quality of all your relationships. Romantic, familiar, friendships, colleagues, all of it. Acts of kindness. They can help strengthen and nurture your connections with the people you really care about. So let's get started. First up, listening without judgment. How often do you actually listen and wait for your turn to speak when you're having a conversation with someone? I know that I overtalk, butt in. Sometimes it's because I think if I don't say it, I'm gonna forget it. Do you do that? Like, I really think if I don't say this now, when I do have time, like there's a pause and I can like intervene, I will have forgotten and then I'll be like, crap, I forgot what I was gonna say. And then I look ridiculous. So sometimes, I know it's rude, but I do sometimes butt in or talk over someone because I want to get it out there. So I can't be the only one. But yeah, really listening means focusing. I have an issue with that. But can you do it without jumping to conclusions? Can you do it without offering advice unless that person has asked for it? Truly hearing someone can make them feel seen and valued. The act of kindness here is to really listen, not just hear. So make eye contact, nod appropriately, and then repeat what's just been said so they understand that you are actually hearing them. Let's talk about compliments and affirmations. A compliment is sincere, meaningful, and specific, can actually brighten someone's day, and it can make them feel appreciated. The best compliments go beyond appearance and actually focus on who the person is. I mean, you could say you look great today, and they'll appreciate it, but commenting on how that person really is, like, you are so funny, or I love the way you think, or like, I really admire how you handled that conflict or that tough situation. You have such a calm presence. Something like that. You're not saying you look amazing, although they could. So whether it's complimenting someone's personality, actions, or even their style, affirming that positive thing that you notice makes them feel seen, heard, and valued. Let's talk about acts of service. So one of the things is showing that you care is through actions. Actions speak louder than words, no matter how big or small. So like a little thing can actually make someone's day. Helping someone out with them actually having to ask is a game changer. Simple little gestures, just like bringing someone a cup of tea, or giving someone space, respecting their boundaries, can help them feel cared for and respected. Offering space when you know someone is struggling shows them that you care about their well-being without actually trying to fix the situation for them, because more often than not, we just want to vent. We don't actually want a solution. Sometimes we want a solution, but more often than not, we just need to vent. Random acts of kindness can really make someone's day. They're unexpected moments. They can bring positivity and uplift someone, especially when they need it most. So consider that when you're out and about with your friends, your colleagues, your family, your lover, whatever. One of the simplest and yet most powerful acts of kindness is just saying thank you. You'd be surprised how many times people do not say thank you anymore. It's really weird. But yeah, just say thank you for something. It could be thank you for always being there for me. Your support means the world. And that can make someone's day. Yeah. However you thank them, whatever you're thanking them for, it shows gratitude, which strengthens bonds and can foster a deeper connection. So thank the people in your life. This one might be difficult for some. Apologizing when necessary. It's not always easy to admit when you've hurt someone, but offering a genuine apology shows kindness and maturity. So say something like, I'm sorry for what happened earlier. I didn't mean to hurt you. I will try to be more mindful in the future. Taking responsibility for your actions and sincerely apologizing can heal wounds and show that you care about another person's feelings. Apologies go a long way in maintaining trust and respect. Small acts of kindness can make a big difference. in all types of relationships. Whether it's listening, complimenting, or helping out, just being there is a gesture of showing that you care about someone. So start incorporating these simple acts into your daily life, and you'll start to see a deeper, more meaningful connection forming between whoever you're talking to. You'll start to see a deeper, more... Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments about some acts of kindness that you've experienced or shared recently. I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, bye guys.